Hello everyone, before I start the presentation, I want to tell you about my story when I did first blood donation. Happened in the city of Bekasi in June 2019 during the mid-year holidays. After staying there for a few days, I heard that there would be blood donors. I was very happy because that I was 17 years old, meaning that I had reached age requirement to donating blood. When I got there, I was asked to record my personal data. The next step, I should check blood pressure, pulse, and hemoglobin levels. It was my first time to donate blood. I was very nervous. I could only sit looking at the other donors. I suddenly thought whether it would hurt, but if you see from their expression, it doesn't seem like it. I comforted myself. Finally, it was my turn. I was told to lie down on the stage probably. Then she tightly wrapped the blood pressure cuff around my upper arm and tied down tense. Just breathe as usual. He slowly put a needle into my circulation. Then, at the moment, I realized that it didn't hurt as much. It wasn't as painful as I imagined. After that, I just need to wait for the blood bag to fill up and take a break, then just stand up. Okay, now let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Olivia, but you can call me Olivia. In this video, I want to tell you about the importance of blood donation. I tell you about this because it is beneficial for our own bodies and also can help many people. My presentation will take 5 until 10 minutes. Presentation will take around 5 until 10 minutes and divided into four parts. That is, first, the terms that must be met to donate blood. Second, conditions that are not permitted. Second, conditions that not permitted to do blood donation. Third, conditions that require you to delay donating blood. And the last, four, the benefit of donating blood for our body. I want to tell you about the first part. There are 5 terms that must be met to donate blood. First, the age limit is 70 to 17 years old. 2. Body weight, not under 45 kilograms. 3. Terms of systolic blood pressure between 110 until 160 and diastolic between 70 until 100. 5. Requirement for hemoglobin levels of 12.5 to 17 gram per deciliter, but the minimum limit 12.5 gram per deciliter for men and 12 gram per deciliter for women. Now, the second part is the condition that not permitted to do blood donation. 1. Suffering from diabetes. 2. Have a lung and heart disease. 3. Have a cancer. 4. Suffer from epilepsy and frequent seizures. 5. Have a abnormal bleeding or other blood disorder. 6. Have syphilis. 7. Patient and have had hepatitis B or C. 8. Alcohol addiction. 9. Have or are at high risk of HIV/AIDS. 10. Have hypertension. And last, 11. Have drug addiction. Now is part 3. Conditions that require you to delay donating blood. 1. Those who are currently taking certain drugs. 2. During the duration of 6 months. 3. Within 72 hours after dental surgery. 4. For women who are menstruating, pregnant, or breastfeeding. 5. within 6 months after minor surgery. 6. Within 12 months after major surgery. 7. Have received polio, influenza, diphtheria, tetanus vaccine in the previous 24 hours. And last, part 4. The benefit of donating blood of our bodies. 1. Have lost weight. Because donors who regularly donate blood can experience significant weight loss. This is because donating 450 milliliters of blood can burn about 650 calories for an adult. 2. Prevent cancer. A study involving two groups with a total 1,200 people showed that the group would donate blood twice a year had iron level in their blood and had lower risk of developing cancer than the group who did not donate blood. 3. Prevent stroke. The resulting oxidation process can accumulate on artery walls and increase the risk of stroke. Therefore, excess iron needs to be released from the body, for example, by donating blood. 4. Maintain heart health. A study has shown that people who regularly donate blood have an 88% lower risk of developing heart disease than those who don't. 5. Increase red blood cell production. The spinal cord immediately produces new red blood cells to replace lost cells. Okay, the last is let's donate our blood to help those in need. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment. Thank you for watching. See you on another video.